Hey y'all, this is actually something I've been meaning to show y'all for a while, and now that I'm working on a mirror, here's a good time to do it. If you're ever wondering how old the furniture is that you're working on, a good way to tell is if you have like a furniture set and you have a mirror, is to take the backing off. And a lot of times there's screws, or like these are just staples. You can just get a staple gun and staple it back in when you're done. But I take these off to refinish the mirror frames instead of taping it off. So it's a little bit faster for me. And so if you go, there'll be a stamp somewhere, and you see this one has the date, January 24th, 1962. So that's one easy way to be able to tell if you just lift that backing off and put it back on. I think there was some law that the United States passed around the 30s, the 1930s, so this will work for furniture from the 1930s and newer. So hopefully that helps y'all out if y'all are just curious about exactly how old your furniture is. If y'all want to know how to paint the frame without having to tape it off, you can just do exactly what we're at right here. And a lot of times there will be these little wood wedges in here, and that just keeps the mirror steady. So I just take these out with a screwdriver. I just pry them out. Sometimes they break, and I just replace them whenever I put them back in. But for me, it's faster than having to tape around and get the tape all inside and everything. Plus, if you have like all wood, then you can paint every single bit of it. So anyways, hope that helps. If you're liking my channel, please subscribe, like my videos, check out my other videos. I'm trying to put out more videos and give y'all some more tips. So give me a holler in the comments too if there's any types of videos that you'd like to see. I'll see y'all later.